We'll discuss in that one first carbohydrates and amino acids. See, first of all, carbohydrate. The previous definition of carbohydrates. पहले ऐसा लगता था कि ये जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट हैं, these carbohydrates are the hydrate of water, that is carbon. So previous definition, that is old definition. The hydrates of carbon are known as carbohydrates. The hydrates of carbon are known as carbohydrates. That is CxH2O. Example, differaldehyde C3H6O3, that is C3H2O thrice, hydrates of carbon. Another example, that is C6H12O6, that is C6H12O6, that is glucose, fructose. Glyceraldehyde, glucose, fructose, mannose, galactose. Molecular formula is same. But if we see that CH3COOH, see next example, acetic acid. This is acetic acid. It follows the same formula, but it is not. It is C2H2O. It follows the same. It is also, it seems that the hydrate of carbon, it must be carbohydrate, but it is not carbohydrate. According to definition, this also follow the same formula, लेकिन ये कार्बोहाइड्रेट नहीं है. It is not carbohydrate. It is not carbohydrate. तो क्या करें? फिर न्यू डेफिनेशन आई. According to new definition, polyhydroxyaldehyde, that is new definition of carbohydrate. Polyhydroxyaldehyde and ketone are known as polyhydroxyaldehyde and ketone. Ketones are known as carbohydrate. Polyhydroxyaldehyde and ketone are known as carbohydrates. See the example. example glucose C6H12O6. This is the structure of D-glucose. D-glucose. This is having aldehyde as functional group, and this is polyhydroxyaldehyde. Another example, fructose, that is D-fructose, C6H12O6. This is D-fructose. It is polyhydroxy ketone. It is polyhydroxyaldehyde. So let us see that classification. It was the definition. Before that classification, we have to see one, that is two important reaction, where how these carbohydrates are formed and what exactly is their requirement for human beings and plants and animals. If we see the reaction, one reaction, that is where the carbohydrate are synthesized, that is called as a photosynthesis. During that photosynthesis in plants, green plants, it utilize CO2 and H2O. देखो ये बनता कैसे है कार्बोहाइड्रेट, एक प्रोसेस है जिसको बोलते हैं फोटोसिंथेसिस. कहाँ होता है? प्लांट्स में. क्या यूज होता है इसमें? CO2 एंड H2O. CO2 प्लस H2O. प्लांट में CO2 कहां से आया? प्लांट की जो लीव्स हैं, प्लांट की जो पत्तियां हैं, उनके पत्तियों के ऊपर होते हैं स्मॉल पोर्स, उसमें एब्जॉर्ब होता है, उसमें उस पोर्स में उस जिसको बोलते हैं स्टोमेटा. एनवायरमेंटल CO2 दीज इज एब्जॉर्ब. एनवायरमेंट की जो CO2 है वो स्टोमेटा के थ्रू लीव्स पर एब्जॉर्ब होती है. लीव्स से तो आ गया CO2 प्लांट्स लीव्स पर. वाटर, जो हमारी रूट है, रूट में एक टिश्यू होता है जिसको बोलते हैं जाइलम. जाइलम के थ्रू ये लीव्स तक पहुंचता है वाटर. तो लीव्स पर ही आ गया वाटर. लीव्स पर CO2 इट इज देयर. और वहां होता है उसमें लीव्स में होता है ग्रीन पिगमेंट जिसको बोलते हैं क्लोरोफिल. इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ क्लोरोफिल पिगमेंट, इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट. सनलाइट की प्रेजेंस में ये क्या होगा? इट कन्वर्ट इनटू C6H12O6 कार्बोहाइड्रेट प्लस O2. This O2 it release in environment. Another reaction it is called as cellular respiration, which occurs in animals and also plants. ये जो एनर्जी मिलती है वो दैट इज कार्बोहाइड्रेट से, सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन. प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स को जो एनर्जी मिलती है वो इस प्रोसेस से मिलती है, जिसको हम कहते हैं दैट इज 38 ATP जो हमें मिलते हैं वो सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन से. कैसे? एनिमल्स क्या करते हैं? चलो एनिमल सेल्स की बात करें तो एनिमल्स इस ऑक्सीजन को यूज करके O2 प्लस ग्लूकोज या कार्बोहाइड्रेट C6H12O6 in presence of enzyme. There are series of enzymes which converted this compound into CO2 and H2O plus 38 ATP. This is the source of energy. A2 कहां से आया? रेस्पिरेशन में जब ब्रीथ करते हैं एनिमल्स बींग्स, जब ब्रीथ कर रहे हैं तो ये ब्रीथ करने में एक्सटर्नल रेस्पिरेशन जिसको बोलते हैं लंग्स पर पहुंच गया। लंग्स पर होते हैं बहुत छोटी छोटी कैपिलरीज जिसमें ये ऑक्सीजन हीमोग्लोबिन के साथ मिलकर बनाता है ऑक्सी हीमोग्लोबिन। इट फ्रॉम द ऑक्सी हीमोग्लोबिन। ऑक्सी हीमोग्लोबिन जाता सेल्स तक पूरा डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाता, फिर सेल्स पर जाकर वो ऑक्सी हीमोग्लोबिन हीम पार्ट अलग हो जाएगा, ऑक्सीजन वो सेल्स को दे देगा, सेल के अंदर पहुंच जाता है ऑक्सीजन। श्योर दैट ग्लूकोज कहां से आया? वी आर टेकिंग द कार्बोहाइड्रेट इन अवर फूड, इन अवर डाइट। विच टाइप ऑफ डाइट? कौन सी डाइट में हमारा कार्बोहाइड्रेट प्रेजेंट है? दैट इज कार्बोहाइड्रेट इन फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च लाइक व्हीट गेहूं, राइस चावल, पोटैटो। These provide the carbohydrate for the energy. ये जो हमारा कार्बोहाइड्रेट का कंटेंट है हमने फूड में लिया, फूड जाकर ये इसका डाइजेशन हुआ, एब्जॉर्ब हुआ इंटेस्टाइनल वाल पर, ब्लड से सर्कुलेट हुआ, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो गया और ये भी आ गया हमारा कहां? ग्लूकोज या कार्बोहाइड्रेट दैट इज C6H12O6। दिस इज न्यूक्लियस। वहां एक रिएक्शन होती है जिसको बोलते हैं ग्लाइकोलाइसिस, विच कंप्लीट्स इन साइटोप्लाज्म। दिस इज साइटोप्लाज्म, जिसका प्रोडक्ट बनता है पायरुविक एसिड। पायरुविक एसिड जो बना वो एंट्री कर जाता है किसमें? माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में। तो वहां जाकर फिर ऑक्सीजन के साथ इसका कंप्लीट ऑक्सीडेशन होता है और बच देता है ये CO2H2 and 38 ATP। ऐसे नेट अगर गेन की बात करें तो नेट गेन तो 36 ATP का ही होता है, बिकॉज 2 ATP तो साइटोप्लाज्म से माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में एंट्री करने में खर्च हो जाते हैं। So carbohydrates are the source of energy. They provide the energy in form of ATP. Net gain 36 ATP. Net gain 36 ATP because 2 ATP are consumed during the entry of pyruvic acid into mitochondria, and oxidation, that is complete oxidation, it happens in after that process it is known as Krebs cycle. It enters in Krebs cycle and ETS, electron transport system, and it gives the energy. C, that is classification of carbohydrate. प्लांट सेल को भी जो एनर्जी मिलती है वो सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन से मिलती है, बनाते भी है और यूज भी करते हैं। हम बात करें नेक्स्ट क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स। पहले हम देखिए नंबर ऑफ कार्बन के बेस पर, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ नंबर ऑफ कार्बन। तो सही पहले ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट फंक्शनल ग्रुप, प्रिंसिपल फंक्शनल ग्रुप, that is A, on the basis of principal functional group, इसमें होता है एक तो होता है एल्डोज शुगर, जिसमें होता है एल्डिहाइड एज प्रिंसिपल फंक्शनल ग्रुप, जैसे ग्लूकोज। एक होता है कीटोस, एल्डोज शुगर ketose sugar and ketose sugar. Aldose sugar में aldehyde has functional group. That is, aldehyde is principal functional group. Is principal functional group. On the other hand, अगर हम इसमें देखें कीटोस शुगर में, इसका एग्जांपल जैसे ग्लूकोज, गैलेक्टोज, ग्लिसरॉल्डिहाइड, इरिथ्रोज, राइबोज, मैनोज, आइडोज, टेलोज, इरिथ्रोज, it is ketone as functional group. It is ketone as functional group. That is ketone. Ketose sugar में ketone is principal functional group. Principal functional group. PFG मतलब principal functional group. Example fructose. Already we have seen that ketone it is as a functional group. See the another classification on the basis of number of carbons. B. On the basis of number of carbons. Triose, tetrose, pentose, hexose, triose, tetrose, pentose, triose sugar, tetrose sugar, pentose sugar, hexose sugar, in triose there are 3 carbons. Carbohydrate having 3 carbons. 3 carbon containing carbohydrate. Here it is tetrose, 4 carbon containing carbohydrate, 5 carbon containing carbohydrate and 6 carbon containing carbohydrate. See another classification. That is important. Next, third classification it is C. On the basis of units of carbohydrate, units of carbohydrates. Units means, example, monosaccharide, disaccharide, monosaccharide, oligosaccharide, that is, and polysaccharide. Monosaccharides, disaccharides, the di it also belongs to oligo actually. This is the part of oligo. So if 2 to 10 units are present, then it is called as oligosaccharide. Oligosaccharide. Saccharides term belongs to carbohydrate. Polysaccharide. when 1 unit of carbohydrate is present, that is having 1 unit of carbohydrate, having 1 unit. Here it is having 2 to 10 units of carbohydrate, 10 units of monosaccharides. Start over. Hello? 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 Oligosaccharide having 2 to 10 units of monosaccharides. This is having more than 10 units of monosaccharide, having more than 10 units of example, glucose, fructose, the example of oligosaccharide, sucrose, lactose, maltose, fructose, starch, polysaccharide, starch, glycogen, cellulose and cellulose, etc. This is diglyceraldehyde, OH it is right hand side, H in left hand side, triose 3 carbon containing. Again we introduce this diglyceraldehyde, we have written One left side H, right side OH. Another it is right side H and left side OH. This is tetrose, 4 carbon containing. So if it is OH OH or higher priority on horizontal line, it is towards same side. अगर ये higher priority same side है, इसको बोलते हैं erythro. Same side erythro and this is called trio. So ये तो हमारा D erythros and this is D trios. Both are tetros, 4 carbon containing carbohydrate. Again, we divide it into pentose. We introduce new chiral center. CHO, CH2OH, CH2OH, OH, OH, H, H, OH, OH, H, H. New chiral center. If it is left side, then again left side H, right side OH, right side H, left side OH. This is called pentose sugar. Again similarly, we divide it into CHO, CH2OH, OH, OH, HH, CHO, OH, OH, HH. Once it is left side H, right side OH, right side H, left side OH. Again, name of these all 4 carbohydrate. This is Rexall. R means ribose, A arabinose, X xylose, and L lysose. So this is Rexall. D ribose, D arabinose, this is xylose, and this is D lysose. Again we divide it into hexose. CS2OH, CS2OH, once it is new chiral, H left side, OH right side, H right side, OH left side. It also divided into 2. right side H, left side OH. OH, OH, OH. Left side H, right side OH. Right side H. Similarly, it is also divided into two. Once it is left side H, right side OH, right side H, left side OH. See, these are 8 hexose sugar. These 8 hexose sugar it is AG Google Amit. We can just do it. AG Google AMIT Amit. This is one. Odd number 1, 3, 5, 7. AG Google. This is E1. 2, 4, 6, 8. A allose. G glucose. Gu glucose. Gal galactose. Again AMIT. A altrose. M mannose. I idose. T tallose. You see these compounds. A it is first. This is D allose. D allose. D second D altrose. Third D glucose. Fourth D mannose. Five AG gu D gulose. 6 D idose. 7 D galactose and 8 D tallose. These are the carbohydrates. All of these are hexose sugar. These are 8 hexos. They are mirror image. Mirror image of D allos is L allos. Mirror image of D altos is L altos. All configuration are opposite in their L form. क्या होगा? इनकी जो L फॉर्म है सभी की इनके मिरर इमेज क्या है? इनके L फॉर्म. जैसे D मैनोज है, इसका मिरर इमेज L मैनोज. D ग्लूकोज है, इसका मिरर इमेज. सब अपोजिट हो जाएंगी कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस. अगेन चलो हम बात करते हैं आगे. हमको कंपाउंड दिया जाए और फिर मतलब नाम दिया जाए उसको, कंपाउंड की स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगी, उस मॉलिक्यूल की स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगी. जैसे सपोज हमसे कहा जाए हमको अपना स्ट्रक्चर डी गैलेक्टोज का. राइट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ डी गैलेक्टोज सपोज. देन हाउ टू ड्रॉ डी गैलेक्टोज. कैसे ड्रॉ करें डी गैलेक्टोज? सी ए जी गूगल AMAT AG गूगल. गल मीन्स odd number. AG गूगल means 7 number carbohydrate. Gal means 7 number. It is 7 number carbohydrate. It means what to do is nothing. Write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where is the 7? This is 7. Draw the common structure of diglyceraldehyde. This is the common structure of diglyceraldehyde. Now we have to write. We have to see 7. Draw one line. Where is 7? Right side. So write this chiral center H towards right. Again, now it is any 4 of these one. Again draw, divide it into 2, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where is 7 number? Again, right side towards right side of this line, vertical line. Again means right side of this is H. Now these 2 are left. Draw another line. Where is 7? Left side. Write H towards left side. Next, remaining OH, OH, OH. Now this is the structure of D galactose. You can see D galactose. This is the structure. Are you getting or not? Suppose we have to draw. If suppose the structure it is given and you have to identify the name. Any structure. Suppose this is CHO, OH, H, CH2, OH. Now these are chiral center. Any side H you just see. Suppose this side it is H, this side OH, this side OH, this side H, this side OH, this side H. Then what is the name of this hexo sugar? What to do? This is for diglyceraldehyde. Now 1, 2, 3. These are left. Again write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See this chiral center. This common structure for diglyceraldehyde. CHO, OH right hand side, H left side. You know diglyceraldehyde. First H is towards left side. Draw one line. It means it is any one of these 4. Next, again draw one line. And this H it is right side. So any one of these 2. See this one. Again right side. Then this is number 4. It is 4 number means even or odd? Even. So AG Google. That is 1, 3, 5, 7. No. AMIT Amit. So M means mannose. This is the structure of D mannose. Number 4. You can see this is the structure. Suppose you have to write draw the structure of L. L form of any one of these. Suppose you have to draw the structure of L glucose or L altose. What is the structure of L altrose? So see, you will be confused somewhat to see these 2 A. First A, LO, second A, it is for altrose. You can see alphabetically A, L, L, A, L, T. Alphabetically, ALL is before ALT. So this is first, this is second. LOS is first, altrose is second. No need to get any kind of confusion. Come to the altrose. It means it is second. Second means it is L form. So first draw D form. Draw D altrose. Draw the structure of D altrose first. D altrose and convert into its mirror image. So D altrose means CHO. This is the common structure. OH, CS2, OH. 1, 2, 3. Let us see now. Second. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second it is left hand side H. Again draw again left side H. Then right hand side H. Then again it is the L form. This is the D form. D altrose. So what is the L altrose? It's just mirror image. CHO. CHO. Its mirror image it is H, OH, OH, H, OH, H, OH, H, CH2, OH. This is L altrose. So draw first D and convert it into L form by converting all the configuration of the D form. Epimers, the carbohydrates which are different at one chiral center in their orientation are known as epimers. Epimers, the carbohydrate which are different in configuration or orientation at one chiral center, which are different at one chiral center in orientation are known as epimers. Example, see the problem. C4 epimer of glucose is C4 epimer or C, first let us see C2 epimer of glucose is C2 epimer of glucose is. This is the structure of glucose. CHO. Glucose means AG. Gu means third. AG. AG मतलब third number glucose. CH2OH. Third means first left side. Again second right side. Then again it is left side. OH. 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 This is D-glucose. D-glucose. Now C2 epimer means at second carbon 1, 2 second carbon configuration is opposite. So its C2 epimer is CHO OHH 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 CH2OH. This is the C2 epimer. So what is it? Left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left means any one of these four. Again right, any This is the C2 epimer. First it is left. OH, OH, and OH, C2 epimer. Left. Again it is right. First left. This is on left. Again on right. Again on right. Means it is number 4. If you draw this, 4 number means D mannose. So this is D mannose. So C2 epimer of glucose is, answer is D mannose. Because at second carbon, this is the second carbon, orientation is different. So like that you can do it.